Here it is, the Gold Elite version. This thing is absolutely beautiful, just beautiful. Let's get it open. Oh my goodness gracious, it looks amazing. Oh, the fuzziness in the back. It feels so good, so fuzzy. Underneath isn't, but fuzzy on the backside. Oh, what a beautiful figure. I don't think it can ever go back in its box. It's like, it's just so cool. Alright, so the first accessory is this awesome skull gun. It's like one of my favorites from the game. Where it takes skulls and shoots bone fragments at you. Very cool. Detailed at the top. Okay. Alright, now we've got the ball and chain. Oh, this thing is super cool. This guy is gonna get a piece of my wall. I can tell. He's just so good. Alright. Next, we have the Super Shotgun. Two of my favorite guns in this game. Like, for me as a player, they nailed my two favorite guns. I wish they had painted this better, to be honest with you. But the sculpting is still really good. Alright, let's take a look at the hands. I really like the hands in this game because of the gauntlets. Okay, a little bit of movement, not much. No movement from here. Maybe once it's on. We got a punching hand. Very cool. I like, again, great sculpting work. Great sculpting work. Now, the shield, which is darn near its own character, if I'm being honest, because the shield is such a big part of this game. Ah, they did a good job. Okay, nice. They did a good job with the shield. I got a scratch here for some reason, but I guess that's how McFarlane wanted it. That does not look like it's part of the design, McFarlane, but I'll take it. And then for the main enchilada. Okay, I need to take this off first. Okay, one sec. Shout out to my baby girl princess who gave me her little pink scissors to take off my Doom character's plastic things holding it in. Thank you, Lorelai. Alright. That should let him become loose and release him from... Oh, he is a chunky boy. This guy is heavy. I'm talking to you. Oh, yes. This guy is cool. Very stiff. Very stiff. Making my way downtown. Okay, so here's the gun. And it seems to... Okay. Thought I broke it there for a second. Cool. So it comes into the back right here. Oh, I wish this was filled in like the game when the Slayers and when they have control of the Slayer. Alright. Dude, this guy is stiff. Like really, really stiff. How does he stand? He stands pretty good. Alright, so we also have the Doomslayer cards and the Doomslayer stand. So we have 50 gold edition points. Congratulations to whoever gets this first. And please be sure to like and subscribe for your points-a-roonies. So there you go. There's your 50 points for the McFarlane Soar. So, Doom the Dark Ages. Doom Guy. Doomslayer. With the Slayer imprisoned at the dawn of Dark Ages, the balance between light and shadow teeters on the edge of oblivion. A feared outsider among an imperiled people, he is both weapon and prisoner, his strength bound by the very gods they serve. As an ancient evil lays siege to their world, time runs short and the darkness reopens. Alright, sure. This guy is amazing. Let's see if we can get... I just love it. I'm gonna get him right into his stand because I don't trust him to stand. I'm sure you understand. This is $50, by the way.